Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have what you need to begin: an active, verified account and a visible weekly token balance. First, open the Spotlight dashboard and go straight to the Weekly Tokens panel. Once there, read your balance, then pick a clear goal, unlock a feature, apply a boost or transfer tokens to a teammate, and decide how many tokens to spend. Make sure to use digits for amounts so you avoid errors. Now move to action. Select the token amount and click the first confirmation button. You're in the thick of it now. Choose the exact target for your tokens and confirm which effect you want. If unlocking, verify the feature tier. If boosting, pick duration and intensity. If transferring, enter recipient ID precisely. Then input the token amount using the increments provided, for example 1, 5, or 10, and watch the preview to see the immediate effects. Once done, review the cost and the resulting remaining balance so you don't overspend, and press Confirm to queue the operation. You finish by confirming success. Look for the success notification, check your updated balance, and ensure the chosen effect is visible. If something goes wrong, retry once after 30 seconds, then double-check the token balance, recipient ID, or feature name. Small typos cause most issues. If the problem persists, capture the transaction ID and screenshots and contact support describing steps taken. Remember why you did this: to get an immediate result quickly. Troubleshooting is about restoring that result, so stay methodical and calm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.